The following are the regional centers of each of the 17 regions of the Philippines. For Ilocos Region or Region 1, we have San Fernando City. For Cagayan Valley or Region 2, we have Tuguegarao City. For Central Luzon or Region 3, we have San Fernando City. For Calabarzon Region or Region 4A, we have Calamba City. For the Mimaropa Region or Region 4B, also known as the Southwestern Tagalog Region, we have Calapan City. For Bicol Region or Region 5, we have Legazpi City. For Western Visayas or Region 6, we have Iloilo City. For Central Visayas or Region 7, we have Cebu City. For the Eastern Visayas Region or Region 8, we have Tacloban City. For Zamboanga Peninsula or Region 9, we have Pagadian City. For Northern Mindanao or Region 10, we have Cagayan de Oro City. For Davao Region or Region 11, we have Davao City. For the Soc-Sargen Region or Region 12, we have Coronadal City. For the Caraga Region or Region 13, we have Butuan City. For the National Capital Region or NCR, we have Manila City. For the Cordillera Administrative Region or CAR, we have Baguio City. For the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao or the BARM region, we have Cotabato City. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.